it's important to arrange your package. So models, views, inside views, fragments, inside views, activities. Okay, auto main activity in activities. Okay, right. So another package, repositories, for this example, the last one, the most important, view models. Okay, now we've got our package. So remember one thing: one activity or one fragment, one view models. Okay, so first of all, create main activity view models. Okay, view model. Be careful to have Android X. Okay. That's it. Okay. So okay, I've got this one in repository. Let's create an example of class for Firestore. Just an example. Firestore repository. Don't put any method about Firestore. It's only to show you an example. So first of all, this side I had to include singleton. Okay, so this is sample static repository instance public static Firestore repository get instance. Okay, so if instance equal return new Firestore repository. That's all. You know that. Return instance. That's all for the moment. Okay, that's for Firestore repository. Next, in activity view models, need Firestore repository, of course. So private Firestore repository, and make a constructor. Okay, stop here for the moment. And now we can create our ViewModelFactory. And ViewModelFactory factory is an interface, not the superclass. Okay, so right here. So ViewModel rider, so factory. Okay, click enter. Okay, implement methods. Okay, and first of all, you had to create another time the singleton. It's different, little bit different. Okay, private static ViewModelFactory instance and public static ViewModelFactory get instance. And if instance equal null, be careful because this is the difference. Synchronize ViewModelFactory.class and repeat if instance, if instance equal null, is return new ViewModelFactory, and the last thing, return instance. Okay, the last thing to do about ViewModelFactory, and it will be already the same when you create a new ViewModel, like model as anything you want. It's always the same thing. So if the model class dot is senior form, you have to post your model dot class return t new main activity ViewModel, and inside, as you can see, you had to put Firestore repository in instance. And for the last thing, show new illegal arguments place inside what you want to retrieve when you forget to put in your ViewModelFactory, and you will see the information on logcat. So you miss to create inside ViewModelFactory the instance of the new ViewModel. Okay, and that's all. So for example, now you can use the different thing. So example, I only put public string get name. It's only a very simple example to use. Okay, return tech. Yes, why not? Speaking there. Okay, that's all. In your ViewModel, okay, public string get name, approximately the same. Return Firestore repository get name. That's okay. That's okay. In the main activity. Now inject the ViewModelFactory. I'm going to show you. So first of all, private main activity model, main activity ViewModel, and I think it's very important. So main activity ViewModel equal new ViewModel provider this context, and that's it. With ViewModelFactory.get instance, get class, main activity ViewModel dot class, and that's all. Now you can use all your methods inside your ViewModels. Okay, so for example, string name equal, and we can see it name plus name, and let's run it and let's have a look on the logcat. Just a minute. Okay, and let's try to see about this, and yes, you've got your information. So now it's very simple to use. So you've got repository, you've got your ViewModelFactory to make the implementation, the injection, you've got your main activity ViewModel. Inside you can put a different method to make calculation, orientation, maps, etc., etc. And also you have to do is to use your main activity, your view model, like this, inside your activity or your fragments. Okay? Hope you liked the video. So see you soon for another one. Okay? And have a nice day. See you.